So as most of y'all know, Fortnite has come out on Nintendo Switch, and overall I think it's a very good installment to the series, but there are some flaws to it, such as voice chat being hard to figure out if you want to play it docked, especially since you can do so in handheld. So do you want to know how to voice chat on Nintendo Switch while it's docked? Hi, I'm Callum from CIR Inventions, and today that is exactly what I'll be showing you guys how to do, and some more personal preferences of mine, and that's coming up. So in handheld mode, it's pretty easy to voice chat. All you need is a headset with a mic and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and all you need to do is plug it into the system here, and you get all the audio and the voice chat straight from this headphone jack without having to do anything else. But if you're like me and you don't like to play docked, there were some problems trying to figure this out. I tried an extension cord for this and it didn't let me voice chat, but I could still hear the audio. So I found a solution after hours of digging, surprisingly enough, that finally showed me how to voice chat while playing docked on Switch, and honestly it's pretty simple. Honestly, it bugs me how simple it is to voice chat on Switch while docked, and since I don't want you guys digging for hours trying to figure out how to do it, I'm going to share it right now, or at least how I do it. So what I do is I get this PlayStation 4, ironically enough, since you can't even play with PS4 players on Switch, this PS4 gold headset, and you take the USB that's not connected to this and you plug it in to the dock where there on the side there are two USBs, and all you have to do is plug in that USB and turn these on and they sync up. You get the audio, you get the voice chat, you get everything, and it's super easy and works really well. And these were, if you're wondering about a price, these were about $100, but I guarantee you if you really want voice chat very easily on Switch without having to wait for Nintendo Switch headphones or whatever they're gonna do, then I would recommend getting these PlayStation Gold headphones. I'll leave a link to Amazon in the description below. I'll also leave a link to this Google page that I found that shows every single type of headphone that can be used for voice chat on Switch. Now to end out this video, I just want to talk about some personal preferences that might make your Switch Fortnite experience a little bit better. So if you don't have the Pro controller, you can just use the Pro grip that they give you in the box, and that will probably do you just fine. All you have to do is slide your two controllers in and you're good to go. Now some people, especially if you come from PS4 or Xbox, they complain about the A and B buttons and the X and Y buttons, how they're too small and how A and B are flipped from Xbox and PS4 to Switch. But honestly, all you have to do is just get used to it and it'll be fine after that. I also highly recommend not to play in handheld mode, as you can't see as far and it's only in 720p compared to 1080p, as that's what it is in docked mode. And yeah, those are all my personal preferences on how to play Fortnite on Switch. I hope this video was helpful to some of you out there watching, and I'll have a more interesting video than this coming out hopefully Friday or Saturday. Oh, and Isaac will be uploading his first ever video pretty soon too, so look out for that. Anyways, I'm Callum from CIR Inventions. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.